Hello there, welcome to the channel. It's a great community we have here, and I just wanted to share with you, I've just got this in the post. It's all different carvers we have. This is a one of the carvings I'm doing at the moment, which is a cat bird face. I talked to a great carver. He does a lot of chainsaw carving in Ohio in America, and today I received a card in here. Yes, you guessed it, it's Josh Bear and the Boss Lady. He does fantastic carvings, and he's wrote me a very nice note in this card. I'd like to share it with you because it really touched me and made me think how grateful I am. Anyway, it says, Roy, glad to have come to know you. Congratulations on the arrival of your grandchild. We prayed for safe delivery of Eve's baby that was due on the 18th. He was due on the 18th, but he arrived on the 21st. May your new family member be blessed and come to know the living God and his son, Jesus. Also, I really enjoy listening to you speak proper English. I don't know about that. Your voice has a warm appeal. Thank you very much, Josh. That means a lot. And I said I would put your sticker onto my workbench. Hopefully people will see, but if you haven't heard of him, I hope this is in fact, let's put him there. I hope people come and see your wonderful work. Let's put that there. And I've got a spare one as well. That's very generous of you. Thank you very much. I'm going to read this. Will suffering ever end? Would you say yes, no, maybe? It goes quite deep, but I think in times of trouble, we all believe in some God or something. And that's wonderful. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it, and hope to chat soon. Thank you. Whatever you do, do it well.